Today we are making a shrimp spicy biryani. Main ingredient shrimp, coriander and mint leaves with 3 pieces green chili, sliced tomato, 3 pieces big onion.
500 gram this one. Shrimp 500
Shrimp
gram.
is just 500 grams.
100 gram yogurt.
100 grams plain yogurt. We also need ginger garlic
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon.
Chili powder 1 tablespoon.
Chili powder 1 tablespoon.
Rice.
1.5 cup of rice.
Little cinnamon cardamom.
What's that?
Cinnamon cardamom cloves.
Cinnamon and cloves.
Then little oil. 50 gram oil. Then we have to fry until golden brown this onion.
Okay.
Okay. Then after frying let it fry first.
Let it fry until golden brown.
A few moments later.
Ito na yung update sa onion. Still frying until golden brown. And red wine while cooking biryani.
Then brown slowly by slowly. After getting golden brown, we'll put 1 tablespoon chili powder. After chili powder, we'll put coriander leaves. Then after coriander leaves, mint leaves. Then chili. Then
Oh. This makes your biryani so tasty.
chili powder. Coriander.
With chili. I have to put some chili. I can smell the spices.
Mint leaves.
Wow. Now it's 100 grams yogurt.
100 gram plain yogurt. Otherwise, some people they put sweet yogurt. Plain yogurt.
And ginger garlic paste. Now you have to cook it with a high flame, no? Wow, see the taste.
Tomatoes.
What's that? What's that there?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Tomato. What's that? What do you mean lemon? You want lemon? Daddy is cooking. We are here watching him how he is cooking. That's why I said it's biryani with love. Hi ka, darling. Hello. You're shy. You want what?
I want hot chocolate.
Oh, you want hot chocolate? Okay. Wow. So after all mixing the ingredients, it's like a paste. 750 ml water.
Later.
Pin natin yung kanyang munting biryani. Wow, now he's going to put the shrimp.
See the shrimps. Wow, see. Wow. Now let shrimp cook for another 15 minutes time. Close the chicken.
A few moments later.
To put the rice.
Mommy, I want to see monkey.
You're watching Monkey, yeah.
I come. Mommy, come to me.
Put rice and mix. Look at that, it's biryani.
I want to go.
Now let it boil again until the rice cook.
Mommy! Ow!
Close and low fire until
Her while waiting for Daddy's biryani. Is it yummy?
Yes,
What is that?
it's hot chocolate and mix.
Hot chocolate and mixed with what?
This one.
Mixed with cow milk. Oh, tissue. Here. Good. While drinking hot chocolate, she's eating salad. Boss is still drinking wine to make him relaxed. Father and daughter together.
Later.
Oh, it's done. Yan na. Yung bata doon naghihintay na sa lamesa. Wow. Darling, it's your biryani. Here you go, Mom. You like it? Okay, good. And Daddy already enjoying his biryani.
Yeah.
Is it spicy? Not much.
I'm red. I'm red.
Harap. She loves spicy, yeah. She eats spicy, so it's okay. She even eats chili. How is it?
Rice.
What is that? What's the taste?
Rice.
Is it nice? Yummy?
Yeah.
Sure?
Rice.
Say thank you, Daddy, for your biryani.
That thank you very much.
welcome.
Ubus na. Yung sa amin, mainit pa. One more. You see the shrimp?
Just rice cream. I know only rice.
Okay. One more. Oh, sarap.
Because this biryani no need anything, just put chili powder, make the biryani. Understand? Unlike biryani masala, no need, no? Otherwise we need biryani masala, no?
What's that? Again? Yummy? Okay. Thumbs up. Look.
What shrimp?
That one. Yes, it's a shrimp.
I want.
Aywa. Cinnamon, shrimp, and rice. Sakto lang ang tubig niya.
What's this?
It's cinnamon.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wala yung salad ko na ginawa. Kaya pala nawawala. Nilagay dito sa higaan. Hindi tuloy nakain. Buang ka talaga, darling. Why did you put it here?
I'm eating.
Why What eating? It's in the bed. Why did you put in the bed? Huh? Don't laugh, Almighty. You remove your kulangot?
No, I'm not removing granite. I'm jogging.
Huh?
I'm jogging, putting granite and put tissue.
Okay. Then why did you put this one in the bed? You kulangs.
Sorry. Sorry. It's not coming.
It will come, darling. You have to press and put inside. Okay, that's okay. No problem. Later we can wash that one. We can open and wash. You take the kulan out.
Okay.
Mm.
She's saying,
Okay? Ah, very good.
I did it.
You do it. Very good.
God bless you. Now you know how to remove, huh? Let daddy do it. Daddy.
Yeah. I will take one. Yeah, coming.
Just like that. Air outside.
Coming, baby. There's a plan, small piece.
Ayun na. First, you have to press. And then inside the nose, you have to release. Not pressing and release inside. Yeah. Outside press, inside release.
I saw one piece.
I will take him.
Okay, you have it.
Come on.
Baby, let's go for movie.
Ask her if she want to watch movie. You want to watch movie?
Go for movie. I want to watch movie. One movie. Okay?
Daddy, I want to buy this juice. I want you to say.
Darling, you want to watch movie? Then while watching movie, you can eat popcorn.
Okay.
Okay? But you will not
Give me
feel
my
bored?
phone. First of all, I will check movie ticket.
Sure, huh? Eating popcorn, sitting there, watch movie.
Popcorn surprise.
Tell daddy.
Dada, popcorn surprise.
Okay, darling.
Popcorn surprise.
Not surprise. We're going to watch movie nga. You will sit there and eat popcorn, not surprise.
Dada,
This is natural. He's the one pregnant now.
Daddy.
Darling, listen to daddy Tommy, dali. There is a snake inside. There's a snake? What is that? Huh?
Snake.
Angry snake?
Yes. I say.
Oh, show me. Big
That
time.
sound
What is that, Tommy? Is it small or big?
is small.
Oy, don't tell me, don't lie. Small or big?
I'm not popcorn.
Guys, try nyo bumili nito, essence stick. Maganda siya, mabango siya para sa loob ng bahay, lalo na sa flat namin. Katulad ng flat namin na kulob na kulob. So, after cooking, nagsisinda talaga ako nito. It's feel refreshing after cooking. And then, another 2-piece. Oy, darling! Hiding, buang. Another 2-piece. Here. Other toilet. It's nice smell. Hanggang dito na lang. Bye. See you later. Bye.